Hello friends, I am Khushbu Verma. This International Yoga Day, let's unite by practicing the common yoga protocols. I will present you in this video. Tadasana. It stretches your entire body, right from the arms to the abdomen till your legs. It improves your posture and prepares you for other asanas. Hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Vrikshasana, beautiful asana of balance and stability. It develops focus and concentration powers. It also strengthens the ankles, knees and legs muscles. Hold it for 15 to 30 seconds on both sides. Trikona Asana. It strengthens and stretches your back, thighs and leg muscles. It also reduces blood pressure, stress and anxiety. Hold the asana for around 10 to 15 seconds on both the sides. Moving into the sitting asanas, we first have Bhadrasana. Bhadrasana, the gracious posture, strengthens the legs, tones the thighs and makes the hips flexible. It helps to keep the mind focused and relaxed and doesn't use meditative state. Hold the asana for about 30 seconds. Vajrasana. This asana helps in digestion and cures stomach disorders. It reduces fat from the lower body and make it flexible. Hold it for around 15 to 30 seconds. Manduk Asana. It prevents diabetes, improve digestive system, relieve stress and anxiety. It strengthens the back, hips, knees and ankles and also improve heart health and circulation. Hold it for 30 to 60 seconds. Shashank Asana. It gives a good relaxing stretch to your upper back and pelvic muscles. This asana relaxes the mind and relieves depression. Hold it for around 30 seconds. Vakrasana. It increases the elasticity of the spine and tones the spinal nerves. It also massages the abdominal organs and helps to reduce the belly fat. Practice the asanas on the both sides for around 30 seconds. Next we move to the prone postures. First is Makrasana. Makrasana relaxes and heals the entire spine. In fact, this pose is best for relaxing after doing other prone lying asanas. Bhujanga Asana. This is one of the best backward bending posture for healing and strengthening the spine as well as toning the abdominal organs. Hold the asana for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Ardha Asana. This asana is very good to reduce belly fat and stimulate the functioning of abdominal organs. It improves digestion and appetite and also stimulates the blood circulation. Hold it for about 30 seconds with deep breath and then slowly come down. Savasana. We practice at the end of all asanas. It relaxes and rejuvenates the entire physical, mental and the spiritual self.